We're gonna take these links off because they've been chewing the tires on both sides. So I think it's cheaper to fix this than it is to buy a new set of tires. So we'll take in,
Okay, that's half of it.
I will get this bolt loose and then we'll see. Right back in it, and I'll take the welder. I'll cut that loose and we'll weld a new one in. Just for working. Fuel filter looks good and clean while I was back here. Look at that. Yep, this one is what it is. It's a good guess because I can't read it. We're going to put this on the bench because I don't want to leave it on the back of there and accidentally move it tomorrow and lose it. So this one, I just screw it in.
So that's right hand.
No, it comes out.
So it's, oh, it's left hand.
Yeah.
So that one's a right hand.
So this one's the right hand.
That one should be opposite the other one.
Okay. So we'll try to get that out of there real quick. There's two ways of doing it. I can cut a slot in it and try to unscrew it, or I can weld something to it and try to take it out. So I think I'll start with a cut just to see if it comes out. I mean, it may not even be hard in there. Got my safety glasses on. Success. Whew. Now I can put pliers on it because I got it out far enough. But that worked.
Spray with some WD.
We're gonna get the GM stuff. That'll screw in there.
And on this other end, it's got a, it's fastened right to the thing.
Yeah,
that whole assembly.
I think we can buy one of those though.
You
I think we can buy just that with a bolt. We're gonna try it. It's tight. It stops right there. It stops dead as a doornail right there.
Why don't you try the other end, see if it will screw out. See if the other end screw out. Maybe they're made where they won't screw out. I don't know. I would assume they did.
Nope.
They don't?
Nope.
They're made with a stop in them somehow. No? Yes?
No, it's screwing all the way in.
No, that's not what I mean.
I know. I'm screwing all the way in, see, and then I'm going to screw it all the way out. See how I got some lubricant on the threads?
Mm-hmm.
This is a pain in the butt. Nope.
So you got to buy the whole assembly.
Yep.
And I'll see if I can find one tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll take it. I'll just go to Tractor Supply. Unless you want to look online.
Yeah, we'll look online, but I mean, the Tractor Supply probably has these.
Yeah.
I mean, they may look a little different. Yesterday, we showed you that this one was broke. We went and got a new one today. gonna have to be modified a little bit. We're gonna cut this, and cut this one, and put this one on with a clevis, and then put it on a tractor and see how it works. I may have to take a link out of it. I may have to do a little more work on it, but just to get it on there to start, this is what we're gonna do. Bolts on like this on the back, and the new one come with a little bitty bolt. So we're going to have to cut the little one here and here, and then attach that down. So now we're going to have to modify this a little bit to get it through here. Well, maybe not. We'll just do it that way. See if it'll go through this one. So if it ends up too long, we'll have to cut this link off and move this to this link. Just can't take any more links off of here. Maybe too short.
Man, put a link in it. It's nowhere near as far out as that other one. Yep.
That's way too short, I believe.
Yep. Yep, it's going to be.
Just a little bit bigger chain. We think we want to add 2 links.
Maybe. You know what I think you're going to end up doing is welding those links together. Where it can't flex.
Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and cut 2. And that'll add 2 to that side. And that'll give it a chance to come on over.
Yeah.
And then I'll tie it. If I have to tie it from here to there, while I use it right now until I get the box blade on.
Well, except you put bungee between here and hold it together, but
it should be fine.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take and I'm gonna cut the chain, get my tool to tighten the bolt up, tighten this one up and loosen this one, take it off, take that one off, put it on a bench, and try to straighten it without breaking it. Look and see what I got.
Well, that.
Yeah, the only problem with the trying to straighten something with threads is it's been cut.
Weld it out.
That's it. Can't even no more than that, because it's gonna break. No professional welder by no means. We're gonna do what we can. Not too bad. Got one little spot right there I need to fill in. That should work. It's a little bit better than what it was for sure. Pin back in this side. Put this back in here. Whew, it got good hot all the way out to there. Now we'll tie those together, and you should be fine.
What if you went around that? That'd keep it from.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it might drop it.